Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about SoundCloud, and if you will find your uninstall, you can click to uninstall and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.